Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? This is Djmahaneet and we are exploring Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu in this series. Today is day 3. We are at Puducherry or Pondicherry as we all know it, and we got a villa here in Orville, and the time right now it's I think 8:30 in the morning, sorry 9 o'clock in the morning, and this is our view of our villa. We have a nice little garden, and those are the 2 bikes. Which have come along, the African twin and the tiger. We are on the Hexa. And that's the Hexa. Then I will wash today. That's the villa. So we are en route to Rameswaram, and we stopped for early lunch at this restaurant, Banana Leaf Chettinad restaurant, en route. So if you are watching the entire series of Pondicherry and Rameswaram, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are about 1 kilometers from Rameswaram, taking a quick break. We exited from the Kanyakumari highway. Beautiful stretch of road still there. Now we are on some state highway, but still it's okay, not a bad road, not much traffic. Hope to reach Rameswaram by late evening, maybe 7:30. What are we doing here in the car?
Nothing, I'm just eating dada.
So we are en route to Rameswaram, driving through the state highways of Tamil Nadu. And that's
I think Raghavendra should be working with the so I'm not sure, but driver is based. Oh, camera in my face. Hello.
Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet, and guess where we are right now? This is Dhanushkodi. We drove to Rameswaram last evening and stayed over at Rameswaram, and early morning we came for a ride to Dhanushkodi, which is just about 20 kilometers from Rameswaram. And there was a incident, a major incident. My brand new DJI Air 2S actually had a crash into the sea, the Bay of Bengal at Dhanushkodi, and we had to find some local fishermen to look for it, and the find my drone through the app really helped, as I searched it on the map and I could track it even in water. Probably if it was in the land, it would have buzzed and beeped, but since it was in water there was no noise, so it was a little harder to find. And the water here at Dhanushkodi is not too deep. It's about 3 to 4 feet in depth, and so we walked around with a couple of fishermen, me, Rishi. Thanks to Rishi, we had the zest to go look for it. I had actually given up on the drone. I thought that's the end of the drone, and that's a beautiful road of Dhanushkodi. Well, hope you're watching my series of Pondi, Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi, and if you are, please do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. Do keep watching as an exciting day unfolded today. More to come. Cheers. Stay tuned. Thanks to our man Rishi.
Hi guys.
We found the drone and it was quite an adventure today.
Early morning adventures.
Yeah, early morning adventure. We never thought we would be swimming in the sea when we left from the hotel. This is the Rameswaram Grand.
Is it even true that they could make a bridge?
Well, guess where we are. This is the last point of India at Dhanushkodi, and that's where well, that's it from today. Hope you like my vlog. It's rain. Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet. You know the drill. Well, right now we are at Rameswaram. Just finished the darshan of the temple. Today is 31st of December 2021, last day of the year. We're heading back to Bangalore to do the celebrations. The time right now is 8 AM. Hope to reach Bangalore by evening, hopefully late evening, not night. So see our journey along. Catch you on the other side. Well, this is the Pamban Bridge, which connects Rameswaram Island with the Indian mainland. Very windy. I'm not sure how's the audio, whether you can hear me, but that's the Pamban Bridge.
Hope you liked my videos. Do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Djmahaneet. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube. It's Mahaneet, and also hit the bell icon and to get all my latest updates on all the videos. Thank you.
So we're driving through Madurai bypass and hoping to reach Salem in the next couple of hours from here, and then another 4 hours from there we should be able to be in Bangalore. That's how it goes. Of exploring Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. If you do like this, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Do keep watching my channel and give a thumbs up if you do like this. Catch you on my next video very soon. Until then, it's sayonara and goodbye.